How to clone your voice in CapCut. Let's get into it. Start by coming up to text, click add default text, double click on this text box and paste in the text you want your voice clone to say. Next, click into text to speech, click into custom voices and then choose create. This will open up this box, read this information to ensure you understand it, and then check this box if you're happy to proceed and then choose create. Click into this drop down and select the microphone that you want it to use. And when you're ready, click the click to start recording button and read the script that it's given you. So I'm just going to do this. A train speeds down the tracks with a thunderous roar as it rushes towards the station, a testament to the rapid and relentless modern progress. Once you're finished, click the stop button and this is going to upload your audio. You'll need to give CapCut a moment to process this and create your voice clone. Once it's finished, you'll be presented with two options. You can keep your accent or you can replicate the voice only. In this case, I'm going to keep my accent. And below here, we have the option to listen to your voice. If you click on this little headphone here, this is going to play back your voice. You are listening to your custom voice. You also have options to listen to it in other languages as well, which is great for if you want to change your voiceover or dialogue into a different language. You can then give your voice a name, enter it into this box and then choose save. CapCut will then present you with some information in terms of credit use for creating your voice clone. Click this button to click out of this, but to use your voice on this text, you just have to click onto this. You should subscribe and then choose generate speech. Give CapCut a moment to generate that speech using your voice clone and let's listen to it back. You should subscribe to create a fix. And that's all there is to it.